A father who lost his daughter to fentanyl poisoning is applauding the FDA for approving the overdose reversing drug NARCAN. Tonight, he's sharing his fight against drugs and letting parents know this could happen to anyone. Roxanne Elias explains what this new approval means for you.
The fentanyl is really poisoning our community and our households. My family, we're deeply affected from the loss of my daughter.
Back in November, Owen Newman lost his only daughter after an accidental fentanyl poisoning. It's a crisis many families face.
Overdoses and poisonings, specifically with fentanyl and other adulterated medications, it's impacting families kind of all over in our county, across lots of different demographic, socioeconomic lines.
Wednesday, the FDA approving the first over-the-counter NARCAN nasal spray to reverse overdoses. But what does that mean?
Patients don't no longer have to go to a pharmacy and ask the pharmacist to get this medication. They can see it over the counter, and just like you're grabbing, a Benadryl or something for your stomach.
10 Acres Pharmacy owner says it means easier access.
Help to further reduce the stigma and increase the access.
Newman says it's a good start, but he'd like to see bigger efforts in distribution.
It has to be more on the ground. We have to bring it to our neighbors. We have to bring it to the people that are not going to go in there in person, as far as the people that are in the tents, the homeless population, which is really big.
There are those who also wonder if this will enable drug users. But 10 Acres Pharmacy says the reality is those same concerns surround a lot of other things over the counter.
Such as Plan B, that was a big concern. But what we've seen is that easy access to this allows community members who purchase them to make good decisions for themselves.
As a father, Newman says parents also need to break barriers with their children and communicate.
Please don't be naive. We say we all know our child, but our child grows up, even though we grow along and we get to see, but there's a lot of things that we don't know about our child.
10 Acres Pharmacy says they're still waiting to hear how much the over-the-counter NARCAN will cost, but they're expecting something around $35 to $65.